I hope that you will have both fun and why not also profit from this course, as the title suggests, Android apps for fun and profit. When I say Android apps, in my mind I'm thinking about Android games. You are most likely going to get much better results focusing on mobile games rather than apps. So, I'm going to use the terms apps and mobile games interchangeably in this course. Let's start with the basics though. What is reskinning and how does it apply to a mobile game? In the mobile game industry, think of reskinning as modifying the look of the game. That includes artwork, in-game characters, backgrounds, etc., and the sounds and music in the game while keeping the actual gameplay unchanged. Graphics, sounds and music are known as game assets, so I will use that terminology from now on. Getting back to our example, another way of putting it is the game will function pretty much like it always did, but with a brand new look and feel. As a result, you can take a game that someone else has written and just swap up the assets and legally upload that to the Google Play Store and claim it as your game. First, you need a game to reskin, but there are tons of source code marketplaces on the internet where you can buy source code for the apps. In other words, you buy the programmer's code or source code and all the app's assets, images, sounds and music, so that you can legally reskin the game. There are some aspects that you have to take into consideration. If you use source code without proper authorization, like downloading illegally or otherwise stealing it, then the reskinning process is also illegal. If you do something that is not within the license for that source code, then it will be illegal. If you just re-upload the game without changing any of the assets, that will most probably be illegal. But here I am talking about buying source code legally, swapping up the assets, and re-uploading the game as a legal app. So, what are the main advantages of app reskinning? Reskinning a game means you get to put an app into the Play Store with your own unique look and feel at a massively reduced cost and in a significantly reduced time frame than if you were developing a game from scratch. Because you are avoiding the time frames typically associated with the app development, it has the other huge advantage of massively reducing your risk.